Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with required access. Make sure you have agent or admin rights because deletion often needs higher permission. Once confirmed, open the support inbox and navigate to the specific mailbox or queue where the message lives. Then locate the exact message by sender, timestamp, and thread ID so you act on the correct item. This avoids removing the wrong record. If you see attachments, note their names. You may need to archive them before deleting the parent message. Once you've located the message, open the full thread and review content and attachments carefully. You're deciding whether delete, archive, or redact is appropriate. Next, use the message menu. Choose More or Actions, then select Delete or Archive as provided by your system. Make sure to read any confirmation dialog. It explains if deletion is permanent. Also check retention policies and legal holds now, because those can block deletion or require escalation to compliance before final removal. You finish by confirming the deletion and verifying the thread no longer appears in the inbox or search results. Sometimes systems move items to trash first. If it lands in trash, empty that folder to permanently remove the record and note the deletion timestamp for your logs. If deletion is blocked or you get an error, escalate. Contact compliance or IT and provide the message ID, mailbox name, and error text so they can resolve retention holds or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.